Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple way of improving your MX-5's center console storage. I recently picked up this storage divider from AliExpress and I got it much cheaper than getting it from Amazon or anywhere else online. So we're going to install it and see how useful it is. So the divider comes in two parts. You have the plastic tray, which is designed to slide into the center console, and then you have the rubber mat, which is removable, so if anything does spill on it you can take it out and give it a clean. Installing this is really straightforward. First you place the plastic shelf into the center console, then just drop in the rubber mat on top, and that's it. It literally takes less than a minute. Now you can see it keeps things separated and organized, and makes better use of the storage space. The best part, I paid just £6 from AliExpress, and much cheaper than buying it from Amazon or anywhere else. I've seen some websites selling this for over £15, which I think is ridiculous. If you're looking for a small upgrade that makes your life easier and is really cheap to do, this one is definitely worth it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more MX-5 videos, and I'll see you in the next one.